Is your Jeep Compass showing a black screen when you plug in Apple CarPlay? Statistically, the vast majority of these connectivity glitches are solved without a trip to the dealer. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to get your screen back to normal. Start by swapping your Lightning cable for an official one and performing a hard reset on the Uconnect unit. If a reset fails, look for physical debris in your USB port or outdated firmware on your phone. Try forgetting the connection entirely on your phone and resetting its network settings to clear bad data. If these DIY steps don't resolve the black screen, you may be looking at a deeper module or wiring issue. Our data shows that the cable itself is the culprit in half of all reported cases. For advanced troubleshooting, test with a different phone and check for any stored system error codes. Keep these simple tools on hand to quickly narrow down where your connection is failing. Always remember that forcing a cable into a port can cause expensive, permanent damage. If these steps didn't fix your Jeep's screen, it's time to let a professional take a look.